Yes, yes. Okay,
We
so
are actually
The thing is,
practicing
uh,
SQL, but हमारा अभी तक एग्जाम ही एक्टिव नहीं हुआ.
uh,
exam is not active.
Yeah.
You are not
actually,
able
it's
to
not
see.
active for anyone,
Yeah.
Aditya. You have to click on join contest. Now the
No, it's not
module is
showing in dashboard.
okay. Then
दिखाई
it's
नहीं.
Really?
Yeah. Actually, problem क्या हुआ? Shivang sir is not feeling well, so
oh,
Oh,
ops
okay.
team is not working on that, I guess.
okay.
Oh,
So it is only for your batch.
Yeah, only for our batch. And yesterday's lecture was also taken by some other instructor. Instructor, his name
okay.
was Pulkit, I guess. Yeah.
Oh,
Okay,
Pulkit
okay.
is the one which for Namrata's batch also, right?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
he's actually also good instructor.
No, I
Okay,
didn't
okay.
find him good at all. I jumped to this
Uh,
class only because it was like running race.
Yeah, Pratik, you were in our batch na earlier?
Yeah. And first class itself, I felt this is not for me because I'm beginner and maybe all are intermediate and advanced. They can put up. So I moved here because Tanish sir was there for SQL, na? So I felt very, very comfortable at least with the concepts.
um,
It's all so good.
there's a Sai Karan scored, 100. Nice.
Oh.
Sai Karan, I think he's in our batch. And Gayatri got,
She was the one who was saying to her.
And I think Mayank was also there, who scored
Mayank
100%.
is in our batch, yeah.
Yes, yes. Yeah, here
Oh,
it is. Mayank.
100%. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
See, this Sai Kiran was, performing good from the very beginning.
Ah,
Like, even in quizzes and everything, I've noticed
yes,
that,
sir.
he's not very active in the session and all, but he knows
Hmm.
it. I think maybe he's
Ah,
experienced in these
yeah,
areas.
correct.
Otherwise, no, people like us can't, you know,
Correct.
be on
Easily.
top. Even,
Whoever have got, that's what they have told. Whoever have got 100% or above 80% are all well versed with SQL already.
right,
They were
right.
saying that. So as a general thing,
Hmm.
even the tutors observed the names and
Uh,
their skill sets, and they were saying these all already know SQL to some extent with their
uh,
own
Hmm.
knowledge.
okay, okay.
Like we see here, even Mayank used to say earlier that he knew SQL
Hmm.
and all
Okay,
well.
okay. Great.
Okay, so we just need to score in between 60 to 70 then.
That is the hopes.
I think
But
mainly
I think
currently,
above 70 is
the
the
time
passing, right?
the
uh,
time management is it's matter actually.
Huh.
So we have to
yes,
manage the time. We can easily crack that actually.
Hmm.
So otherwise, yeah, the management it's a really matter.
so
Hmm.
two
Hmm.
hours if you divide for 12 sums, because there are 12 sums, it seems
So
only
10
two or
minutes.
three are easy.
10
Ah,
minutes for per question.
Totally,
correct.
how many questions actually?
12.
12 questions. Okay.
I
Uh,
guess 10 questions.
this
Maybe.
Gayatri, who had taken recently, she said 12.
Yeah,
Oh,
Okay.
12. I also know.
Okay.
And out
Here,
of
here
that,
also it will show.
3 or 4 questions are easy, is what she said, that beginners can also
See,
easily get through
here
it.
I
So,
think it's showing 10 only.
oh, is
See.
it? She
okay,
told
yeah,
12.
it is
I
showing only
also told.
10, that's why.
Correct, correct. I
Yeah.
also told in
Yeah, give
dashboard
the
it
limits
shows
on
10.
10.
Mm,
Limit 10.
hopefully, they can
Yeah.
take right ones from the 12.
Maybe
Yeah.
Gayatri will did the extra questions, taking extra
Limits
marks.
not
Yeah,
easy
yeah.
also.
Maybe.
Yeah. Okay. Now let's quickly do the
Yeah,
revision because we
revision.
have to cover a lot of things.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So in our first class, okay, we learned about the database, what is a relational database, and the database schema. Okay, we'll go through everything, not from a test point of view,
Hmm.
because from
Yes.
theoretical point of view also we need to have the concept clear. Maybe we will
Yeah.
not, learn again SQL for a long time,
At least, yeah. Mock
right?
interview is there, that scary thing. So we
Uh,
will have to be in
We
touch.
have to be in touch, yeah.
yes, yes.
And mock
Okay.
interview, na, Rovin, they're looking at our resumes. and our experience, and based on that, they're asking questions. It seems.
Oh,
So that's
Yeah,
what
yeah,
Gayatri was saying. So Aditya also
yeah,
attended today. It seems.
yeah.
okay.
Just अभी दिया interview में.
How was it?
It was so.
Huh?
So they'll make us write queries and all, no?
या एक्चुअली स्टार्टिंग में वो पूछते हैं कि एसक्यूएल के बारे में, मतलब व्हाट इज एसक्यूएल, व्हाट इज माई सिक्वल, दे आर जस्ट टेस्टिंग योर प्राइमरी नॉलेज अबाउट एसक्यूएल एंड
Hmm.
they are just throwing queries.
Yeah,
They are
okay.
just
So,
giving
Uh,
queries. Yeah,
Tell what is full form of SQL.
so structure query
Structure.
lang. So my interview has just ended.
so
Oh,
Aditya, so the mock interview is like a beginner to intermediate level, or intermediate to that
No,
advanced.
advanced level, I
actually,
think.
actually, instructor knows from our resume that the guy is a beginner or intermediate. So
Oh, maybe they are
according to
checking
that, he is
from tech or non-tech background.
Yeah,
yeah, yeah,
correct.
yeah.
That's also a classification they're doing. While if somebody has more experience, also, what is that they have, whether tech or non-tech, they're seeing that and only
Hmm.
asking. So they asked, it
Yeah.
seems, to Gayatri, whether how long have you been with Scalar, and are you previously used to the tech and SQL and Tableau and all. And after that, they started the interview.
Actually, I feel like it was mentor session going on. That's why.
Mentor session kind of it. Yeah, yeah. If that is
Yeah,
the
kind
case,
of.
it's good.
Hmm. Great, that's how I think it should be.
And
Mm.
mostly Windows and CT is what they were all suggesting. Did Aditya, did your mentor suggest anything? Because it seems Gayatri asked, what should I focus on for having on data analysis career? What
Okay,
exactly we
they
based
also suggest me on मतलब, working on SQL a lot.
SQL in particularly Windows and CT and all, they told to
Not
work
like
more.
she didn't mention any particular thing
Okay, okay.
in SQL. Just practice on Git code and
Okay.
just
General
just
bit.
all assignment questions. Yeah, general
Okay.
assignment questions as well as Git code questions.
Hmm. Yeah.
Structured. Type of it.
I'm just trying to make, short notes. Uh,
Already, this is short notes, and
yeah,
that's making it
yeah.
not so good.
Right, right.
Which
Um,
app is this? Sticky
which,
note app?
Sticky
Yellow
note.
one?
sticky note. This one, no? Yeah. This is an inbuilt app of Windows. Yeah, hello?
Unique and not. Yeah, you
Yeah,
can
yeah.
go.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And candidate key, I think it was okay, uh, minimal combination of super key, okay, to make it unique,
So
something
they
like.
are also called as alternate keys, right?
Um, yes, yes. Super key is like unique set of attribute. Okay, right. Um, an attribute. We should say column actually, right?
Ah,
Or a column that will be more easier. A column or set of columns to uniquely. We have not used this level of. Uh,
yeah.
Normally, it's not required because we already have the primary key. Okay.
Mm. So
Suppose
in
Hmm.
super key, which is it, Robin? Now
I'll
I
tell
got
you,
some.
it's something like uh, you know
Superset.
huh, it includes everything, all the
Yeah.
combinations and everything.
Oh,
Okay, it can have combination of like one, two, three, four, five. So it's more broader. The candidate key, it is like
oh,
it will narrow down the super key. Okay, and suppose in the super key, suppose the uh, primary key example is something like ID. Okay, that is like some ID 123. So using this ID, so it is candidate key also and super key also.
okay.
Okay, this is
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, now maybe in the table you don't have the ID, okay, or maybe you don't have the roll number for
Mm-hmm.
students. Okay, then how
Yes.
will you identify unique students?
Hmm.
Their phone number or
Let's think about, there's nothing unique individually.
correct. Okay.
Okay, then we'll try to, maybe use some combination like their name and age.
Right. Okay.
Okay, whoever is having this name or age, okay, they'll be considered unique. And even if this is not unique, sometimes we can get two data, two rows. Okay, same people with same age, it can come, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then maybe we can add more combination like sex or some more things that can
Yeah, Aadhaar
be.
card, phone number. Yeah.
Phone number is directly unique. It is
Unique.
it
Yeah.
is
Yeah, yeah. Phone number is
individually alone.
directly.
It is enough,
Maybe
Yeah.
correct.
right? It cannot be duplicate also. But here, in this example, this can be duplicate also. So we are trying to make you know get some unique ID out of the duplicate keys, duplicate datas by combining them together.
Okay. Oh, it's all a combination all the time, is it?
Right,
Yeah,
right,
yeah.
yeah, yeah. So combination and that will become a unique,
Okay.
right? And maybe we can later give it a name also, some roll number. That is how it comes, right?
All right.
Super key. Then foreign key is something which connects, um, which is also a primary key, but it is used to connect from one table to another.
Okay.
From one table to another. I think I forgot about the composite key actually. I don't.
Composite key.
Uh, hmm, okay, I think that will not be that much important right now. Let's talk about, if anyone knows, they can
Yes.
tell.
Oh,
Types of relationship
Composite key is like a candidate key without single column.
without single column. That means more than
It is just
one column, two or
more
more.
than one column. Yeah.
Okay,
If
okay,
it's a candidate key of two column, then it will be called as composite key.
oh, okay, okay.
okay.
Actually, the main difference, what Shivang told that super key is like it is actually adding unnecessary redundancy. Means it can actually add column which are not required in the
Hmm.
table, and candidate key is like it doesn't add unnecessary redundancy. Means the column which are required, it may be one or two, so that
Hmm.
much it will show.
Okay.
Yes, but super key, it's not so much
Uh,
required in the structured data, but it will be more useful
yeah,
in the unstructured data.
Um,
yeah,
Okay, because we don't need this. We are not using more than the primary key. All other keys we have not used in any
yeah, yeah.
of our
Only primary.
right. So it
okay.
depends on the structure of data also and the
Okay.
requirement. So on the basis of that, we'll use other keys. But till now, we are using only one type of key. Let's come to the relationship. Okay, one to one. Then sorry, one to many. Yeah, I think. All right, and okay, and then many to one, and then many to many. Right. These are the four types of relationship.
Can we just say an example? One to one is that husband wife, what we know. Any other?
See, here it is written. Okay.
Okay. Oh, okay.
So this is like one table, ID and
Yes.
name. This is second table, ID and age. Right. There are no
Yes.
duplicates. It will directly connect. One row will connect to another row.
Okay.
Okay. Now in this one, customer info table and customer order table. The info will be one row and orders will be multiple row. So a customer is having multiple orders.
Oh, okay, okay. You've
That
given
is
it.
one to many.
Uh,
Yeah, right.
okay,
Okay.
fine.
One row is connected to more than one row in order table. Now many to one, reverse of one to many. So student table and university table. Many students will study in one university. So multiple rows are connected to one row,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
And many to many means subjects and university.
University.
So
Okay.
many subjects are taught in many university.
Right. Okay.
It is not like one subject is taught only in one university, or one university is teaching only one subject.
Hmm.
Right. Multiple rows from
Okay.
first table connected
Plenty.
to multiple rows of. Okay. So that's how it is coming.
Okay. Generally, we see this one to many and many to many, right?
One to one is also possible. One to many and in reverse also many. All types
Many
we
to
are
one.
seeing. Right, right. It can happen. This will be useful for us to understand, the data and while connecting it. And
Hmm.
when we are connecting more than, two tables, three tables or four tables,
Yeah.
okay, then it will be useful. Then here diagram is entity, I think relation, right? What was
Yeah.
that?
Correct.
Entity
Entity
relation.
relationship diagram.
Okay. That in that diagram. Okay. Big query. Now warehousing. Okay.
Uh,
Now the warehousing was following the three process ETL, extract data, transform data, summing of each row and showing as total. Okay, and then load into the warehouse. Every transaction is converted to calculate daily sales. So it's like aggregated data.
hmm.
So the query database data. So database just storing it, right? And data warehouse is used to analyze
Historic
the data.
and
Used for analytical. So BigQuery is kind of an analytical platform.
oh,
Okay, not we are not using it to store the data like Google Drive. We cannot write analyze, right?
yeah.
Yeah. Uh, okay, so this was the first day. Day one is over in 15
Hmm.
minutes.
Hmm.
Yeah. Okay.
Life was easy those
Yeah,
days.
yeah. Really, yeah. Okay. Now, where does this SQL sit in data science?
Ah,
Okay, data is extracted using SQL. Then data is cleaned using Python or Excel. Then data is visualized and analyzed using Tableau or Power BI. So we might need this Python to for the cleaning purpose also, and I think we
yeah.
need to use Python for analytical purpose also, or maybe to create a proper table. Like in SQL, we can give condition, and according to that, it will filter out,
Hmm.
right? And
Yes.
I think SQL um, will help to manage a larger database, even
Yeah.
Python also.
So
But
what I heard was Python is used mostly by data engineers to
uh,
clean the data and get the data ready, and then they
uh,
give it on to the guys for developing visualizations, the Tableau and Power
huh,
BI experts.
yes,
That
yes.
is, data analysts use Tableau, whereas data engineers use mostly Python, is what I heard.
Hmm. Right, right. So yeah, data engineer is a good.
Mm,
We need to have a good strong uh, knowledge in
yeah,
this Python also and
yeah.
SQL also. Okay, so characteristic of primary, it is unique and not null. Okay, characteristics of foreign language. Primary key in one table and foreign key in another table. There can be duplicate foreign key in one table, but in another table there cannot be any duplicate, which is acting
Mm,
as a primary key. It can be duplicate also, can be null also.
mm,
Yeah. Now let's come to how to interact, how to extract. Category of SQL command. So there are data definition language that is used to create table, drop table, alter table or truncate.
okay.
DML, data manipulation language. So this is more like a row level. Insert new records, update row or delete row. transaction control language, commit, save, rollback, or set. This is like rules to control the
Mm.
table, the data.
Yeah.
DQL, most important. This is for us, data query
Yes.
language. We are using select.
So,
We are only viewing the data using this.
uh,
We are not, making any changes or putting any rules in the table.
mm,
Nothing is happening. We are the viewers.
yeah. And
Okay.
this one thing has so vast to get
Yeah, seriously.
selected.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Because if I'll tell you, for other things, this is just a one thing. It's so simple. For
Uh,
create table, there's only one syntax. Drop table.
yeah.
There's not much to learn in this. This,
Mm.
I saw some video also. In some half an hour only, you can easily learn all other things.
Oh,
Now, there's not much
okay.
things there to learn.
Okay. Just
Yeah.
that expertise is required for
Uh,
VML and
yes,
DQ.
yes. So if we learn that also, then we know complete SQL also.
Yeah.
Yes. But I think, it's important, at least we should know how to do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Correct. He taught
Yeah.
us at the end, right, for during date time function, how to
Yeah,
create
to create the
tables.
table.
A quick
Yes, yes.
glance. Yeah. I
Yes.
did that today.
Oh, great. That was like create a table and then table
Huh.
name and then as then
And
and in the bracket, right?
sorry.
So in the bracket the full query, right?
Correct. After the whole query, we write for parse date and, after we
Ah,
concatenate from string, we convert it to date
so
time.
it was like
We
table
then
and
create table. Huh.
table name, then as,
Open the
then
table.
in the bracket.
Huh.
This was the
Correct.
formula, na? Yeah.
Exact. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Yeah. I'm trying to revise.
Column name and
Revise. Okay.
Uh,
I
column.
think
column names and then values.
Yeah, that comes inside the query, right?
That will be like inside this, na? Whatever
Yeah.
data we have filtered, whatever the output is there,
Hmm.
that will
Yeah.
become the full. Okay, yeah. Okay. Now, what else we have? This is select all and how to extract. Okay, this is so we have learned select row limit. We have understood. Yeah. In the beginning, it was really easy. I thought, select a star from table. Oh, we have learned it. Moving on, the giving simple schema. So, problem of using select star. Okay, that was there. These are the, when we are working or maybe in interview, these are that kind of questions. High loading time, huge data can crash, memory consumption, production pipeline might break. So that's why we need to limit the data when we are exploring it using the limit function. Okay, now,
Hello, Robin.
yes, Vijay.
Yeah, actually, did you see the group? I think someone has asked for a recording. Is that
Yes,
possible to
yeah,
see?
yeah. Recording is happening.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. Yeah,
Yes,
you continue. You continue.
yes, great. So now we have learned the selecting, limiting, and offset is there. Offset means simply skipping the rows from the top. Okay. Sorting is there. That is order by default. It will be ascending. If you want descending, we have to mention it. And then nested sorting that can happen. That if we put second column name after the first one, so it will do the sorting within the sorted section. Sequence of syntax, select from order, limit and offset. So alias is there as round off, calculator, key pair, junction, schema, okay, super key, purpose of warehouse. Okay, let's go to next class. Okay, round off. Round off will come to the nearest whole number. Ceiling will go to the top and 4 will come to the bottom.
Right.
Okay, and concat is there, that we know. We have used a lot of time in assignment question, concat, for
Yeah.
first and last name. Okay, function is an nested upper function. Okay.
Even in date, this concat is quite useful.
Yes.
Parsing, according to Tanish sir, he says he uses this method.
Ah,
There was other method also which I just saw on YouTube, but what
okay.
Tanish sir said, I felt comfortable.
Okay. We for regarding which one? Parsing.
Um, yeah, correct. Parsing. First, he concatenates the
Ah,
date and time and
time.
all, right? Because
Okay.
it is in string. After
Yes.
concatenating, he then applies the parsing.
Okay.
He does that percent y, percent m and all, right? So
Hmm.
that is parsing. So then
Right,
it
right.
converts into date time.
Yeah. Okay. No, yes,
Sankita, sorry
let's.
to interrupt. YouTube, which channel are you referring to? I mean, like,
I
for
saw randomly that day, but I saw Linson also had given one YouTube channel, if you remember. That channel also has good small short videos. I'll share.
some Mam Tosh or something like that.
I think so. I think so.
Okay.
I'll share that if you want.
Yeah, please do send that.
Hmm. Okay. Even I think I also have some. I'll share it.
Oh,
Name of
okay.
the.
Yeah,
But
I watched it. Yeah.
okay, I think someone shared in the group, other group for Python, not for SQL. Okay,
Oh,
that it. Fine. Now we have the here upper and lower for upper and lower case, right? Then we have init. Okay, init cap. This function will capitalize all first letter of all word, not just first word. I think I almost forgot this function.
yeah.
Init cap.
I'm also wondering.
It will
In
capitalize
No, I
first.
think init cap, it will do the cap
Yes.
letter of the first word.
first
Yes.
letter of first
Huh.
name and
Initial
last name.
initial capital. That
Yes.
is the
Yes.
init cap.
Okay. Init is
And
initial,
it is
right?
specific to BigQuery only. So
Uh,
there might be some other name, other function for other. To pull out three character, okay, sub str, okay. This is the starting position and the length of the character. Okay, like that. Sub str we know. So column name, starting position, length of character to pull out. Then we have concat. Then if you put minus, then it will give the value from right side. So if you put minus value, so it will taking. But I'm saying that we can use the left and right thing also to pull the value. Okay, that is also we can do. But in sub-str, it is more beneficial because it can pull the value from the middle also, the starting position. In the left and right function, it will only start from the extreme sides, not from the centers. That is the difference between that. Filter, okay, select all, okay, filter, where now we have started learning filter. So equal to is there, greater than is there, no need of double equal to here. In Python we need double equal to. Okay, so we have select from where, order by, limit and offset. So this was like volo. Okay, multiplication more than 3 less than. Okay, so we are adding two conditions here
this
using.
parsing and all comes before from. This is what I forget actually. Do you
No,
have
no,
any?
that was in the, you are creating a column in that.
Ah,
So that is why it is
yes.
coming in the select function.
Correct. Okay. So it comes in the select function when
Ah,
we create
yeah,
a
column,
table, is it?
right.
In which other scenario can you tell me it comes this where function or filtrations come before the from? Uh,
Um, no, it depends. Like, suppose you can use case function also, in the select
Correct.
function also, in the where function also.
Okay.
Correct.
Okay.
In subquery also, you can use in select also, in from also, in where also. So a lot of
Okay.
things you can use at different places.
Okay.
depending on how you want to. We are
Ah.
using parsing in select because we want to create a new column,
Ah.
right? If we want to have some kind of condition in that, then we
Ah.
can put it in the where clause also.
Ah.
But
Okay.
maybe we'll try. Yeah, that is.
So,
Okay. Yeah, and when we are finding the name and all, we can try to keep it lower or uppercase condition, and we can try to find it exactly, so it will not. So here if some name is something like this, then it will be converted into smaller Carlos or bigger Carlos, and like that we can mention it.
okay.
Okay, and even the date also, where vendor ID and date is also treated something like a integer only. It's like numbers, greater than, lower than, minimum, max. It's not like string. If you want to know the minimum of name, it won't happen. If you want to know the minimum of salary, it will happen.
Okay.
Yeah. So this, these functions like operators. Okay, that I think we have learned in the compare this. I think comparison operators, right? That we are learning
Ah.
right now in Python. It's called
Mm-hmm.
comparison operator in Python, where we are doing the comparisons.
Okay.
So yeah, now distinct function is there. So distinct function is more of like, if you are giving only one column, it will make that only distinct. If you are putting two columns, then it will make only do in the combination of that. So the distinct will work according to how many columns you are putting.
Ah, correct.
Right. Now I think group, this one must have been here. So this means percentage means many characters, underscore means single character. Okay, this will check from both side, many
So
character.
starting from this is wildcard, right? So
Right.
if we want to find out a name starting from M, should
Ah,
it be percent M or M percent? I just came across today.
Yeah,
M
I
percentage.
think.
M percent. Now, what is this percent N that you have shown?
So
Huh.
the name ending with the N actually.
Yeah.
Ending is okay. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Check one character from both
Okay.
side. Yeah. If you do okay, and single quote, double quote work. Okay. So here we can use single quote and double quote, right? And in Python we can use only double quote, right? Not single quote. I don't know.
I'm not sure.
Okay. Now we have in function to find multiple specific word or number. It helps to find all words together without writing code separately for each word. Right, without using or is equal to like that. We can find all of them together.
Yeah.
Yeah. Between is there. We have used it for dates mostly, or salaries in
Yeah.
like that we have used. Casting is there. That it was not taught to us, but somehow we learned how to convert the data type. So we can convert the casting. We are able to see in this one Python. They are
Hmm.
saying type casting, something like that.
Correct.
They are using the word and convert to
Yeah.
integer.
So it is used to convert the data type.
Yes, yes, and that
I
also
think
temporary. Yeah,
yeah, I think we converted that in the day date type to some
huh.
string we converted.
Yes, yes,
I
we
think.
did that to extract some values,
Uh,
because that time we didn't know the extract time formula.
yeah, correct.
Yeah.
Robin, could you show the example of cast in BigQuery?
Okay. Yes, I think we. Um, I'll just note it down, and we can do it in the end. Whatever the doubts are there, right? So I'll just note it down. We can do it in the end. So let's try to complete maximum. Okay. ठीक है आयुष मैं दिखा दूंगा लास्ट में. Okay. ये
Okay.
okay. ये I'll just मैं note कर लिया. No comma in the last column before. Okay. And null values. So null function is there. We can use it like is null or not null.
And when do we use this capital null? Today I didn't get one solution only because I didn't use capital null.
Ah,
Instead, I used the small null. Later, when I just changed it to NULL in capital, I
ah.
got the answer. So, is it uh, when there is no value or there is space, we
No, no.
use that
Null means
expression?
absence of value. That means not even space also.
Huh. So, what is the difference between small, this
No,
letter small?
Sangeeta, actually, always you can use the capital null. That is,
That is the
it's
method
better.
of writing actually.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Avoid the smaller letter. You can use always in the capital null, not null,
Okay.
is null,
I
anything.
think that is like, in
Is
English,
null. Okay.
we have grammar, a rule to speak English. That's
Okay.
in that same way. There are,
I think small also it will work,
It
but
didn't work for one assignment.
Maybe compiler is not understanding small one.
Okay.
oh,
MySQL, is it?
okay,
Okay, okay. I didn't check in BigQuery. I was just
okay,
doing it in assignment.
okay. Now
But
we have,
you're saying capital null is advisable, is it?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah.
I think definitely it's good.
Right,
Okay,
right.
let's left join is there. Left join we know, so it will take all the data from the left table for that column and only take the common values or common rows from the right table. So that's how. Okay, this we have done. Okay, trunk drop. So yeah, there was a difference between trunk drop and delete, right? Okay, so only rows are deleted, column heading will remain. Drop means delete the entire table including all rows and column. So full data structure will be deleted in the drop. Delete any specific row or record or specific data. So this is something anyway just for
Delete and truncate sound same, right? That rows
seems to
are
be
delete.
same.
Uh,
Yeah, I think it's similar actually.
record.
Yeah.
No, I think it's not. I think similar. So
Okay.
truncate, you cannot able to delete any specific row. If you use the
Mhm.
truncate, it will remove all the inside the table,
Okay.
all the data inside the table.
It will just empty the table,
Empty the table,
truncate.
like empty the
Or
table.
you can use delete in where clause maybe. You can specifically delete some rows or
Oh,
column using where clause in delete.
okay, okay. But in truncate we can't give any condition.
No, it is a direct word actually. You
Oh, it's
can
just to make it empty.
Tr- just we drop table. We can
Ah,
actually means,
I
we
think
can use
the
truncate.
syntax is like a truncate table table name.
oh, okay,
So
Yeah, yeah.
okay, okay.
so if you
Let's.
mention that one, it will
Ah,
remove that,
okay.
wash out the data.
Yes. Let's go to this. Okay, fourth class. Between function. So we have this date mostly. This one we have and return select or yeah, Puneet. 1 second, I'll mute you. Okay. Now here we have to return a list of customer with selected last name DS, Edward and Wilson, right? So normally we were using like or. Okay, we can use like or this way also. But using the in function, we have to mention only this in. So it will make our coding simple.
The first one is in the where function.
Huh.
What is this?
We are
Sorry.
mentioning it individually, all the names
Okay, okay.
with or, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
The second one also shows or only, right? Where lower.
Yeah, no, no, but it's just that we have put lowercase.
Okay. Oh,
Okay,
got it.
that will help us to,
Yeah, get the correct
yeah,
time.
yes. So we can, have better accuracy.
Hmm.
If it is a large data, we can't see. Okay,
Okay.
sometimes theirs is not mentioned like this. It might be mentioned in some other way.
Uh,
So we are just standardizing the whole process.
so in function also we are using
Able to
lower
give
only,
lower.
right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, correct.
Right.
Okay,
Yeah.
got it.
Comma is like or condition, which means that this is not or this is or condition, not and condition. The comma
Oh,
is happening. Yeah. Okay, and equal to don't work in this case. We have to put in only.
Okay.
Okay, not in function, just the reverse of that. So
Mm.
lower like this. So wherever this name is matching, that result will not come. That will be filtered out.
Okay. And here not comes before lower, not before in. Okay. This is.
I think not in also happens. No,
Ah,
no, it's there. Not is I think more flexible. I've seen.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, it comes before not in also like that.
Mm.
You know. So I think that is there.
Okay.
And let's see wildcard we have. Start with man, manas, man. This is like examples of that percentage.
Mm.
Okay, used and wildcard we have. So this is like fixed length of character. It works
Okay.
same, but just the length will be different.
Robin, can you explain me again the not function, please?
Not function is like whatever the condition you are putting that you don't want. So uh,
Okay.
that will not come into the table.
So you over here in that particular syntax, not lower last name in Diaz and this. So according to this, there shouldn't be any last name, right?
These records shouldn't come as a
Right.
result.
Not
Wherever
not
the
come.
last name is like this, that won't come.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So yes, that's all. So if I say not, name in Puneet, so wherever the Puneet name is there, that will not come.
Okay. Great.
Okay.
Great.
And if I don't put not, then only name with Puneet will come.
Okay.
Okay. We can't use use inside. And most of the time we are using equal to because whenever there is an exact match. Okay. And this one is there. You want to get data. Customer you knew as Jerry, but you are not sure if it was in the did we say Jerry or Jeremy or Jeremia. So you put this condition like Jer and percentage.
Okay.
Okay, that way you can filter out all these people to find the Jerry. Okay, it will show same people. Okay, find all the rows where the submitted the length of the first name. Okay. That is like I think percentage A then percentage wherever in the middle it is coming. Null function is there. The is
This is
null.
substring, right? The homework question that we
Right,
discussed.
right.
Okay. Okay.
Substring is yeah, correct. And we can put it like a condition
Ah,
wherever I think no, it's like find all the row where middle character is A. Okay,
on the rows.
don't remove this middlemost. It's not possible. Okay, where it will be more complex. If simply
Okay.
want middle characters, then we can put like percentage, then A, then percentage.
Ah,
Okay. If you want to use the substring, we need to know the length also.
correct.
Okay. So maybe we need to have the length, column separately or length function inside the substring. Okay. And according to that divided by 2, we'll get the center, length to
Correct.
find the middlemost. Okay. Or trim function we learned, right? Yeah. So if there is a space or anything, it will trim. Correct.
Yeah.
That is there. Try to use function to find unlimited blank space without using trim. Okay. 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 Then we can replace the null value using the coalesce function. Okay. So wherever we have the null value, that means absence of value, we can give it some other name. So if there is a product size column and there is some null value, so we can put it like size not available. So it will not show like null. It will have some meaning to that null place.
we can we can use the multiple the column values,
Huh.
right? Comma on comma. We can write many things, right?
Yes, yes. So suppose we have product size null something. We can mention product name there. Okay. And again, if it is a null in product name also, we can put a third column also.
Uh,
But how will other columns value be matching the column of like size column if it has product name? It's so
Huh?
irrelevant, right?
no, it will not look the logic actually.
No,
It will
no.
directly take the
Huh.
value.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, no, no. This is just an example. If we
Example.
want, we can do like that. That's how it is.
Hmm.
Okay,
I
something.
have a
Yeah.
doubt on is null and if null.
Huh. If null is like full condition. If nulls, then this, else this. That is like if condition, na?
Checking the condition, and is null, we that also we use for checking condition only, na, where suppose product size is null.
Yeah. Yes. That is simply
We
like to filter out
actually,
the null function.
can we use them interchangeably, or we cannot?
We
If
cannot
I
use
think
in the if not.
we can use if null function in select clause and is null function in where clause. Maybe
Oh,
that may be the difference. Because in
oh,
select clause we can actually assign particular value if there is null, and to filter out the records we can use is null in where clause.
yes,
Oh,
yeah,
perfect.
yeah,
Okay, got the answer.
yes. If null is also, if null is there, then we can, do some calculation or give it a name.
The
That is like
condition.
a case function. If null is like a
Yeah, yeah.
case function. Yeah.
Case. Yeah.
Okay. And yeah, so coalesce function we have learned now. Replace function is there. So replace means if product size, okay, column name, what to replace. So if there is a space, replace with what? So we can mention it like this is a space or something like that. So here there was example red potato replaced with blue potato, and even inside if it is coming small red potato will become small blue potato.
Replace function, have you used it? I don't even remember, yeah.
Even I don't remember.
Oh my god. In my
Same here.
previous
Even I
work,
also.
I have seen this, I think.
So it was
Neither I
taught
have
in.
written in my notes.
See,
Oh my
actually,
god.
yeah, I note down every small things.
Oh,
So I don't try to miss anything. Um,
good.
so that's how But we have never used in our life.
In the assignments too.
Yeah. Okay. Now we have this between A and G. It will show names between A and D. Sorry, it should be actually G only. Between A and E to show names starting between A and DE. For name also we can use between, not only for numbers. So
Yeah.
it will count in the alphabetic order. Okay. So we did some data type function. So where this in function, okay, mode is there, the remainder one. So in this one, mode column and then 2. So this will give us the remainder. We can find out if it is odd or even. That was the question we were using this remainder function mode.
Yeah, yeah.
And I think we can use it as this also. Someone was telling we can use this like column name, then percentage 2.
Oh.
And
And I saw mod and is not equal to 2 also they write, right?
right, right.
Okay.
If it is not equal to 2, then it is
It's
odd.
mod.
Huh.
Yeah, okay.
So in that way, we can get all the odd values.
Huh.
Okay. Yeah. So mode is mostly useful in that way. Then not equal to string position function. I think we did that. Okay. What is the position of string? Okay.
Mandar, you have to throw some light. Where exactly should we focus more for tomorrow?
I can share your questions directly, but
No, no, no.
No, you
That
tell
won't
us
be good.
where to focus.
No, no, actually, no,
okay.
no. See, I'm doing this revision not only from test point of view. I want
Yeah,
to,
but I will not do actually that. But I
Uh,
will just tell you what you have to do exactly, right?
yeah, the focus
Yeah.
point you tell us.
Yeah. So some questions are easy. You can solve it. I will not discuss that. So
Uh,
where I struggled, I will tell you that what type of question will come. So,
okay.
mm, so what we have to do? Okay. So there was one table. It has some ID and some data in another table. So you have to use that table and show how many percent of users were the IDs were using one kind of product and how many percent of users were using other kind of product and show it in a percentage or count. So you have to show like product one, this much percentage and product two this much percentage with only one table. So think about that how you can do it.
Okay.
okay. And did you use any data set or simply the
Yeah,
queries?
data set was given in this
So
exam
then you have to
application.
download and upload in BigQuery.
No, no, no. You have to straight away write the code, like how we solved assignment.
Like
Yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah.
Mandar,
Same, similar like yeah.
can we use the CT method for this question? Is this right
Even I
way?
was thinking, even I don't know the answer how to solve
Okay,
it.
okay. I
Even
just
I,
forgot
yeah,
the question. You're saying there are like
yeah,
how many percentage of user are using first product and second product.
yeah.
Okay, so
Okay.
I think we can simply do group by.
Yeah, I did same. I got percentage of single quantity. Like I got the percentage of this product one and product two. So I
Huh.
want to show it in two different columns. That you product one
I
Ah,
think
percentage is
that
yeah.
is you need to
oh,
use CTE for that.
CT, yeah, CT,
Yeah,
yes.
CTE will be more helpful.
But
You
how
can
you will show it in two columns in only one table? Like
you can join based on you can use
with
the
what
primary
ID?
key.
There is no
You
ID, no.
can, no, the first thing is take a one query, and the second thing is CT on query. You can use the
Yeah.
full outer join, right? Full outer join.
So,
So it will showing
so
all the values from this left side, one table, left side of the table, and the right side of the table.
we
And
don't.
is it mandatory to put in
Actually,
two separate column? We can put in two rows
yeah,
also.
yeah. Two separate columns. It was mandatory, and there is no IDs in that. You don't have to get the IDs or product name. You have to just name the column one as product one, and below that you have to write percentage. Just that's it. There is no other data. Only one row.
Oh,
Hmm.
Two
Mandar, did
columns
you
and
got
one
that
row.
answer in the
No, I
test?
actually I actually did a mistake here, but I know how much percentage the user was
Yeah,
by
yeah, yeah.
looking at it.
Actually,
Yeah.
in the last time, in the last session, I got that answer when I removed that
Uh,
percentage.
uh, but how you show it in two columns, two different columns?
Act what?
Means you have to show it product one percentage below and product two percentage below.
Yeah, yeah.
So how you showed in uh, one table
That
itself?
the formula is the current and total into 100, right? Current by total into 100.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. So you will get for product one you can get the percentage, right? And even
Yes,
for
yes,
product two you will get percentage in different CT, right?
yes.
So how you can join this because in CTE
No,
you have
no.
not used that data.
I didn't join that, but the answer
So
is correct. How it is correct, I don't know. How it is right?
yeah,
Oh,
Using subqueries, it can be.
so what I hacked, what I hacked, I just directly select product one and directly added the percentage, then comma product two directly added the percentage.
See, I
and
think
that's it.
Yeah.
there is one method that uh, uh, creating a one query for one column and second query for second column. That is possible. You don't have to join. You can
Yeah,
use the subquery without using the
yeah.
CT, right? So in the
Mm,
select function only you can create one, group by product one, and that will
yeah,
become one
yeah.
column. But
Yes, exactly.
yeah, I think
Yeah.
a little bit more, advanced subqueries required.
You have to think dynamically because I have
Yeah.
written the answer. It showed it is correct, but
Ah.
they deducted the marks because it was not right way, right?
Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah,
That's
that
why
is
they
not
deducted
right
the marks.
way, but answer is
Yeah,
correct. I
Huh.
don't know how.
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
Even my answer got correct. I solved 8 questions. Right, it was showing right, but
Hmm.
actually my actual dynamic answers were 6 question only. So that's why I got 56. But
Okay.
if
Okay.
your 8 questions were correct with correct code, so you will get somewhere around 70 or 76. So
Hmm.
I got to know that 2 questions I cheated. I directly wrote the query to about the answer.
Hmm.
So that way they deducted any step marking, any step marking. Madar,
Hmm.
Ayush, what you're saying?
No, Mandar, is there any step marking or we have to correct all the query
Yes,
fully?
yes. Acha, step marking. So they
Yes.
check the query, right?
Yes.
So yeah, so they check the query. If the query, if they found any mistake in query, so they will deduct marks.
So then we can test query in
Yeah, yeah,
in the
you will get
console, na?
pop up for correct answer. If your query is perfect and you get correct answer, they can't deduct your marks. But you have
Okay.
made some shortcut. You have directly uploaded the answer because once you submit the query right first time, and if it is wrong, they show the answer that how the output should be. So you can manipulate according to that. But that will not work. They will deduct marks because you have to dynamically think about the answer.
Me, if my query is 90% right, then how much they will cut all the mark or they will provide complete
But your
90% mark?
if your query is 90% right, you will not get the answer. No, only
Yes.
100% right query will get the answer. So you have to make it to the 100%. There is
For the
only two
logic,
way.
you will
Either
not get mark.
yeah, what?
For the logic, you will not get mark.
For the logic, means the query, right?
Yeah, may not be.
Yeah, you will get marks for the logic in query. That how you use the table name and all.
Okay.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Eh,
I
And
have the questions. I have clicked the photos, but I will
uh,
not share you.
okay. Okay.
I
Yeah.
can
I
just
think
tell you
maybe
what type of questions were there.
yes. I think we can do a discussion on question after Sunday.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. That's why I
Yes.
didn't share
Yes.
the questions.
Right. Right. Even I'll try to take. Did you take a screenshot of all questions?
No, I just only take 3 questions. You
Okay.
can, and one more thing, you can use mobile,
Oh.
so that will be easy.
Yeah, maybe that's
No, actually, I'll use this window print screen that will save in the computer automatically.
But don't use any more this PC function because they track the icons which are running.
Oh,
Okay,
okay,
so use your mobile to take a photo.
okay, okay.
Uh, so the camera is not running, but all the functions they are tracked. If you change the window also, na, if you
Huh,
switch the window, then
huh.
also it is detected as a plagiarism.
Oh, okay, okay.
So before attempting the exam, what all the rules are there, they are all discussed in the page. Just read out before
Hmm.
attempting.
Okay,
it will
okay.
it will take the screenshot frequently.
Yeah, it will take the screenshot.
Right, right. They are doing
So
using
you can
some.
use your mobile. Even I at the end, even I tried Chat GPT in mobile, but it was not showing because you can't directly copy paste. The total data set is different.
Yeah, can't copy.
Yeah, you can't copy anything. So You have to explain what actually you want the output.
अरे
If
you
it
can
is
use
something,
Google Lens na to
even though you use some for some question, by just understanding the this question, you will not get the answer. Means for this AI tool for ChatGPT and thing, you have to go to the tables and understand your put you have to put your own logic. So some questions are tricky.
So Ayush is very well advanced actually thinking.
Yeah,
Hmm.
yes. He has tools like Google Lens and all.
no, I will not use it.
Why I joined late, you know,
Mandar,
guys?
Could you tell me what is the minimum passing percentage mark?
70% na.
Oh,
So
For,
you will
for
also give test again, na?
yeah, I guess in next month. Let's see after attempting all, we will think about it.
yeah, yeah.
I am so happy that I attempted by my own.
Hmm.
Yes, yes, great.
Yeah.
That 8 questions I would able to solve, but just for framing into their output, that I failed. But 8 questions I
Yeah.
was able to solve. I was near the answer, but framing according to their need was difficult.
But
Okay, okay.
Mandar, if we concentrate in 5 question or 6 question, then then we can solve it easily, na? If we
Five
concentrate,
to six questions are too easy. Whatever you have understood in the lecture, no?
Uh,
With simple,
yes,
only 3 or 4 lines code, we will get the answer. But
there is
some
10 question,
questions
na?
are, yeah, 10 questions.
So 55% you have got 5 question, so easy, na?
Then Gayatri
Ah,
is
5 questions.
saying 12 questions today afternoon. No, I asked her, isn't it 10? She said, no, I had 12. I attempted 8.
I
maybe
guess the
it's.
questions are changing
Oh,
every month. But the format is, even
Okay.
this guy told me, some for some students, they also got MCQs.
Oh,
Oh.
oh. So I think it's more random.
Yeah, it's
Mhm.
random, but type of the questions are similar.
Okay.
I guess they also shuffle the questions like for
Hmm.
question number one, they will give question number nine or something. They will shuffle for each and every one,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
but the type of the question is similar. Even similar to the Facebook, every comment, no, there is a question.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Yeah, so practice that.
Ravinji, please take that question.
That is
Uh,
the Tanil sir
yeah.
taught us right that like the question the Facebook question.
Facebook comment one.
Yeah, yeah.
In the last year
Yeah,
of
yeah,
class, Tanil
Yeah.
sir
yeah,
taught us
every
for
comment.
one. That is very big query, right? That question is
Yes.
Hmm.
okay. Let me check it.
Oh,
I see.
something like that was there. Oh. And this, I forgot about the end function. It means the ranking, na? Like which rank it is
Yeah.
coming,
So
something like that.
Value. Yeah.
which value you want actually? That is the end value.
Like first value, second value, like that.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Yeah.
Hmm.
This first value and last value and nth value will all, and even until you will need order by.
Ah, yes. All of
Even
them
though
will need
partition
order
wise,
by.
yeah, analytical function they will need a order by. Even though
Yeah,
if you not use partition by, it is okay.
yeah, yeah. I'm
But
already
order by
feeling
is
like I'm
needed.
forgetting actually. Oh,
Yeah, but while you solve, no, you will
Man,
get it.
okay, okay.
Mhm.
Mandar, how many question was based on window function?
I guess three questions.
Okay, great.
Oh, I'm feeling little nervous already.
yes, I am also.
Uh,
God,
मन ही नहीं लग
Rohit.
रहा बिल्कुल पढ़ने में ही मन नहीं लग रहा है यार
yeah, yeah.
No, no, but if you attempt it now, you will get happy that I know something else that I don't know. You
Hmm.
get to know that you
Hmm.
have to practice more.
Mm-hmm.
Even
Yeah.
I have scheduled interview.
As
Tomorrow I
per
have
the
scheduled interview.
as per the Manda statement, 4 or 5 questions is somewhat we can able to do easily.
Yes.
Yeah,
So other
easily.
5 questions only we have to concentrate. It's like 2 questions he give the
One is like a
I will
Facebook
give you.
question. One is
Yeah.
like the product percentage question, and three of question is like a Windows function question. Like so, we have to do some preparation.
Acha, one thing I need to ask, like what do you call the interview? The interview can be scheduled within 40 to 50 days, right?
Yeah, I think 60 days.
60 days.
60 days, right? So it still be like if the person who is not prepared can take at least 60 days to schedule it, right?
Yeah, after
Yes, but
completion of model.
if you are not confident now, then how you will get confident after 60
Why
days?
those five questions, those easy five questions, it's simply that people like me don't get into depression and commit suicide. That's the only reason
Oh,
why I'm giving you five questions.
No, no, it's part of
don't
life.
go beyond that.
Yeah, yeah. I think minimum, I feel how much people are getting.
6%.
What's the average? What's the
Uh,
average?
yeah, I will tell you one thing. Once you get a question paper now, don't stick on question number one. If you use more time now, like 10, 20 minutes, then it will
See, the,
you are stuck in that time. So analyze all the questions at once. Like you see all 10 questions, whichever just build up a pseudo code in your mind
Ah.
and select solving that. Just start
Mhm.
solving with that selected question. So you will
Nandan
Oh,
get
also is there,
confidence that
na?
one is right.
yeah. Ayush, you have given.
No, no.
Yes.
If you
Who is
look
this?
at it, Nandan,
See.
highest
Ayush is
scorer.
62.5%.
Anybody has scored 100%? 100 score?
Yeah, yeah,
Mayank,
Yeah,
Chat
a lot
Mayank
of
has
GPT.
people.
scored.
Many people score.
yeah.
Chat GPT.
See, Sai Kiran is there.
Arre
I
bhai.
think, the main thing is Sai Kiran took, lowest attempt in this top 100. No, I think there are other people also. He took 51 attempt.
Oh,
This guy
what
took
is this attempt?
118 attempt. I think maybe submission. That's what I'm feeling.
That's the submission.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's submissions.
No, it seems
Yeah, attempt is submission.
testing the code before submission.
So, if,
yeah.
yeah, Mandar did not, let's see Mandar how many time he submitted.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yes. I think here.
People already given the test.
See, Linson 39. He actually did not get, he was not able to manage time actually.
Linson scored
45.
62, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
But he was saying he scored 35.
No, no, no. 62.
No, this is not all Linson.
Oh my God.
Go for Linson Thomas.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
there are duplicates then.
Yeah, yeah. I'm Linson,
Time
yeah.
देखिए second देखिए.
Only 22 attempts. Oh. Actually, he was telling me he wasted 25 minutes for one question.
First
Oh.
and two is easy, na? It seems.
So that's how he was not able to, do anything for other
Mhm.
questions. See, I think this one he did
Actually,
not
we
even
get
attempt.
nervous.
Yeah.
Actually, we get nervous because of
No,
first
you
time.
won't. See, there is no place for nervousness. What will come straight away is panic
Yeah.
attack. Arre,
See, here we
Yeah,
can see, na?
yeah,
One, two, three, four.
No, Puneet.
He did not even properly attended. One, two,
yeah.
three, four, five. Five question he could not properly attend.
I think Suraj also completed, right?
9 and 10 seems easy, na? Mostly people have done it.
Uh, yeah, yeah, you download
Uh,
this data and analyze.
please share
Yeah,
it in WhatsApp.
yes, yes. You will, tell the average rating and everything. Uh, which question is more
Top five.
easy? Which is more difficult? Uh,
Gayatri
Exactly.
scored 87.
yeah, yeah.
I asked Gayatri, how much you scored? She told Puneet, I got 87.25. Then she asked me, Puneet, what you doing? I said, I'm studying by.
How? I'm studying by.
I'm studying by the score she scored
Uh-huh.
87.5. If I give three or four consecutive exams, I won't
Uh,
be able to score 87.
okay.
So just to avoid her, I said, I'm studying bye bye.
Hmm.
कैसे होगा यहाँ तक कैसे पहुँचेंगे?
If one question is wrong, we can get 87.5 percentage,
Yeah. If
right?
no, it depends on the
weightage.
difficulty level also. If it is easy, the score marking will be less.
Now you see, I think every question is right of Gayatri. See, there is no wrong. All green tick. Still, she
No,
got
no,
87.
Oh
no. I'll show you. I'll go to the right. Uh, one is wrong, na?
no, no, one is wrong.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Oh, I thought you will fight with scalar for Gayatri.
Has he also given mock interview, na?
That
Then
out of
Gayatri will fight with Puneet.
Yeah.
that it's very wrong. She gave one right answer. Still, you did not give full marks. Oh, yeah.
So we know, right, while submitting the answer, we can know, right, it will show, right, it is the right answer or wrong answer. That feasibility will be there, right?
Yes, yes, it will show. If it is correct, then it will show all correct. And if it is wrong, then it will show where the code is wrong and you will get what is the correct answer.
Acha, one thing
Like
I
it is
need to
showing
ask.
wrong answer.
Acha, one thing I need to ask you guys, like the person who was scoring 85, 87, 100, 99, do you think they are beginners?
No.
No, no. Obviously, they are not beginners. They are the one who are actually
Right,
engaged with
right.
SQL in some other
Yes,
company.
everyone is experienced. I think Gayatri or Mayank also.
The Gayatri is experienced. I know.
Mayank
Even
also, I think.
even Suri Devi scored like 81, no?
Puneet, actually,
Yeah, 81, right.
for one example, actually,
Baby, stove on
even
unlock.
some people are it's a failed in
Baby,
this test, and
baby,
they will score below
stove
60 or
on.
70. In that person also can
Ah,
able to crack that fan companies actually. So so
Hmm.
it is
Sorry, I
not
didn't.
like so
I didn't
so
got you.
the peoples are it's failed in this particular test model actually. So
Uh-huh.
that
So that
peoples
means
also can able to crack that fan companies actually. So it is
scalars
not
have
like
opportunities, you mean to say, for interviews and all, because they will
So
take people who have not. I'm just having this question.
let's
so
now.
Satya is
Uh,
building hope in us.
hmm.
no we can what Sunita you said. So based on the mark only the scalar will
I'm asking because that's how Gayatri was saying she got 2, 3 emails for some interviews from some company and all that.
Right now.
So,
oh
Yes.
yeah,
Yes.
Oh my
yeah.
God.
But
Huh.
it was for SQL engineering, so engineer. So she didn't want to apply. She wants only data analyst, she said. So
Hmm.
I think because they have performed already in the test and mock interview, they are getting opportunities. Otherwise, I don't know whether will they even consider. This is what they consider. I'm assuming.
Suri ji
She already
graduation में
started
दिया था.
rejecting the mails.
Going here.
Wow, wow.
She is way ahead from us.
Let's try to go through all the questions and analyze the answers. Right.
Yeah, yeah.
I think that we can do now.
Yeah, that Windows and
sure.
CPs at
Hmm.
least will do row.
So here, in this one, like first time, we have used this if null. So there is no else clause. It simply means if it is null, then just make it
Hmm.
zero.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. It is more like
Yeah, in this
OLX
case
function only.
yeah,
Fine.
in this case if not is perfectly suits actually.
Yeah. Otherwise, anyway, it will be multiplied by this. But if it is null, then it will multiply by zero.
Can we use instead of if not we can use the
हम्म
coalescing
यहाँ ब्रेड मक्खन खा
here?
लेते हैं और क्या करेंगे.
I think that also we can try.
मक्खन के साथ
One question is so
जैम ले लो,
easy that
जैम
you
जैम
have
कैसे
to.
खप
But
जाएगा.
Hey
coalescing,
Ayush,
आयुष सबको मक्खन
कैसे
खिला दो.
कैसे खप जाएगा.
सबको सबको खिला दो.
सॉरी.
मुझे भी
makhan.
मुझे
So
भी.
हाँ बिल्कुल
so
जरूर.
what was
Hmm.
So one question was so easy that you have to just use concat,
Oh my
and
god.
that's all. Just two line code, and you will get correct answer.
I think
So
they're
they have
giving
also
free
put
mugs.
bracket.
Huh. Free mugs. Hmm. Okay, let's go to second question. And this is some more about hmm, um, okay, partition by gender and then order by user ID ascending. This one was very difficult actually when we were trying to do it because of the order.
Logic is
FOM,
difficult.
FOM. But we did the order by using the RN. Hmm. And using another.
Robin, think
Huh,
uh, this is the table. Think like this is the same table.
huh,
There is user ID, and imagine that gender is a product.
huh,
Male is one product, female is one product, and others are one product.
huh,
So what you have to do in sample output, you have to show like product one and the percentage below,
huh.
product two percentage below, and product
Okay.
three percentage below in one row and three columns.
One row and three column. So
Yeah,
there are three
like product
products.
one. Yeah, imagine in this case male, others, and females are the product.
Hmm. Okay, okay. Understood.
Yeah, so that was the question. I was thinking that how to join that. I was getting individually that product one percentage I was getting, but how to join that all three rows?
Oh my
So I
god.
was
Let's.
confused over that.
Okay.
We can do union, na?
No, no,
Huh.
union will join vertically.
Union will add it from the below. Okay. So it's about the percentage, right? And percentage out of
Yes,
100, right?
percentage out of total count.
Hmm. Okay.
Running sum or something.
Hmm. Hmm. First of all, let's create a new column for female, and then here we can um, select user ID from genders, and then we have to group by also, right? Okay, group by gender and
Count of user ID.
mm, yeah, I think gender and then count, something like this can happen, right? From genders. So let's just do the testing of this. So first of all, we'll get the count. Okay, so some coding error is there. Okay, gender and this count, I think group by gender.
No.
No,
Okay.
from is coming to us. Last.
Oh, genders, group by genders.
No,
Then it
no.
should.
Actually, so what coding you are using actually?
I'm
Some
trying
coding.
to only group by
So
gender.
the from will be come before the subquery, right? In this case, not that from
Yeah.
row, row number 37.
Okay. From. No, we can put in select clause also, na? Oh, but yeah, um, it cannot become a single, column. So with this we have done the group by, right? Now if we do the count, okay, we'll get how many male, female, and those people are there. Okay, 9, 8, and 8. Okay, so now we have got the count. Now we have to make it in columns with percentage. So, mm,
What I suggested, for what I will do means I will put the where class for male and female for another query. I'll take count for different subqueries and I'll combine all the things actually. That is so. So okay, you can do with your uh,
huh,
way actually.
okay. So
आप
this
इसके
is,
इसको इसको सब क्वेरी
ठीक
में
है
लेके
नहीं
धीमे धीमे सारे वो एक्सट्रैक्ट नहीं कर सकते मतलब
हाँ
एज
वही
ए
मैं
कॉलम
सोच
एक्सट्रैक्ट
रहा
कर
हूँ,
लेते हैं ना
वही
हाँ
वही एक बार एक्सट्रैक्ट करने की कोशिश करते हैं. So
हम्म।
now that's ये table 1 हो गया. Now select, okay. Now case if, okay,
Case when.
yeah okay. So case when gender,
It's all because of nervousness. Case if.
hmm, case, okay, is equal to female, right? Female,
he
then
can use case after order wise also. I have
then
I
count.
was doing practice, so I have noticed it.
Hmm. We need the total also, right? I can directly put the total. 8, 8, 16, 16, 16, 24, 25. 25 multiply 100. Okay, this is like female, female column. Okay, and from table 1, let's check it. I think I need to end it. Do I need to give else condition or not? Okay, it's working here. So I got the percentage. Yeah, but it's coming null in other rows.
So we will add other cases, no?
And maybe we can do order other cases. Yeah, we can do, but we need to put in different columns.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that is there. Okay, I think there is one. Okay, uh, I think and where um, where this is not null, right? Mm, and
नल आ क्या रहा है एक बार देख लेते हैं नल
yes,
की
yes,
वैल्यू किस
हाँ. null वो बाकियों का ना कंडीशन नहीं दिया ना, इसलिए वो
अच्छा
ऐसा आ रहा है. हाँ.
Female column is not null.
योग ने एक बार पूछ के तो बताना करना क्या है थोड़ा.
ओके, यहाँ पे क्या है ना, ये नल वैल्यू हटाना है पहले तो, राइट? और देन अदरवाइज वेयर आई थिंक वी कैन, or I can put it okay, that where, okay, uh, count 25 multiply this. Okay, I think I can do like इसमें हमें वर्ड जाए एंड नहीं आना चाहिए ओके
You want only that the female count, right?
yeah so female column is there right
Finally,
yeah
Yeah.
okay.
right
Great, great.
You
now
can use that.
let's make it a male column okay and then this will be um, okay I'll make it like female as right and I can make it male as this and then select star from female F join male M on there should be some common column right
हाँ, तो वही तो वो है
हाँ
कहाँ पर
okay no
यही तो उस
problem
समय यही तो उसमें मंदिर बोल रहा था
no problem so what is the column name and then this one will be not equal to okay now let's check it okay error is coming join where M and this is not same right
Comma is
comma
not there
for which
after
one oh
city
oh
clause.
oh yeah comma comma
नहीं
oh last
नहीं
one
लास्ट में नहीं check
लास्ट में आया था
right
लास्ट
अरे
right
हाँ
नर्वसनेस नर्वसनेस
seriously and I think definitely for one question I don't think how can I do it within
भाई वही तो यार लिंसन के साथ भी यही प्रॉब्लम हुई थी इतना
yeah
प्रेशर हो गया होगा कि
okay now let's see right perfect this same way I can add third column for others okay this is other see we can do the joining on it is not important it should be same we can
oh
do joining on
it
different name also right
हाँ
and this is like
नॉट इक्वल टू करके ना
not equal to करके
हाँ
we can do the joining and wait I'll do that join other o on okay maybe I'll take this okay not equal to o dot
अदर कॉलम
yeah let's see what happens I need to put some code okay perfect now if you want I can round off or something that's it and maybe I
How
can
you how you
yeah
did? Can you explain
huh
what you did?
I just joined the tables using not equal to
Not equal to.
uh, then only it will come in
Mm,
same row
Male column is not equal to female. Oh, then great. So you can solve. This was only the trickier part. Other things you can get the percentage individually. The
Hmm.
joining was difficult part.
Yeah
That's all.
Robin, I need to ask you, like, after select, count divided by 25 into 100, right?
Yeah,
So what you actually doing over there? Can you help me
that
out
is
with this?
like I'm taking out the
Just
percentage
example,
now.
I guess.
See,
Just example.
25 is the
Mm-hmm.
total
Okay.
number of female, other, and male.
Uh-huh.
So divided by that and multiply 100 will be the percentage.
एक मिनट, हमने काउंट इसलिए लिया है ताकि हम काउंट कर रहे हैं कि नंबर ऑफ फीमेल्स कितनी है, राइट? ऐसा कुछ है?
Individually, huh? Wherever
डिवाइड
the female is there, it will do the calculation for female count only.
Hmm.
ओके, ओके, ठीक है, अच्छा, ओके, वेयर, ठीक है, काउंट ऐसे लगाया, डिवाइडेड बाय 25, ये क्या है? 25 फीमेल्स हैं इतनी।
No, no,
Total
total
female, male, and other.
नहीं, यहाँ पे हमने इसको डिवाइड बाय 25 क्यों किया हुआ है? 25 किया है यहाँ पर।
25.
Total
देखो
count of
8 मेल
female,
है,
male, and other.
8 फीमेल है, 9 अदर है. So manually I
एक बार
just did the total.
एक बार वापस
So
बोला ना
if
मुझे।
you want ना, अगर 25 नहीं लिख रहे हैं ना पुणे,
हाँ, हाँ।
so what you can do, you can direct select, you can use the condition like count of females,
अच्छा, अच्छा,
हाँ,
Okay.
गॉट
that
इट,
level.
अच्छा, अच्छा,
Yeah.
सॉरी, सॉरी, गॉट इट, मतलब 25 टोटल
हाँ,
है, उसमें से फीमेल का
हाँ,
इतना काउंट का परसेंटेज, मेल का,
हाँ,
अच्छा, फाइन, गॉट इट,
yeah, yeah.
ओके।
Yes,
yeah.
yes.
And if you want, I think we can have, but फिर वो 25 थोड़ा दूसरा टेबल बना के we need to take out the total, फिर वो थोड़ा और
हाँ,
बड़ा हो जाता.
Hmm.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल।
Hmm.
इसलिए मैंने
So
फिर
this was finding percentage is not a trickier part. You can do it easily. By
um,
looking at the data, you will get the
yeah,
code in your mind only. But
yeah,
joining these three output, no, from
हाँ,
three cities, in exam there will be only two cities, like product one, product two.
yeah.
Just giving the output in two different column was the difficult part that I was
Hmm.
not thinking, or able to think.
Hmm.
So great,
मंदिर,
Robin.
मंदिर,
Yeah.
और कोई क्वेश्चंस है क्या?
और
सारा
बाकी सब
सारा यही पे ज्वाइन कर सॉल्व कर लोगे तुम. एग्जाम के लिए कुछ मत
और
छोड़ना.
और कौन सा है? अरे बाकी बाकी सब तो तुम लोग सॉल्व कर लोगे,
ओके.
आई गेस। सिक्स क्वेश्चन व्हाट आई सॉल्व ना, यू कैन
क्या
डू
क्या
इट।
कॉन्फिडेंस दिखाया हम लोगों के ऊपर, बाकी तो तुम कर ही
नहीं
लोगे।
नहीं, मैं इतना बता रहा हूँ, बाकी सब कर लोगे।
I'm
जितना
just
मेरे को आता है उतना सबको
little bit
आता है।
worried about the time management.
Yeah,
Okay.
time management, for I gave you tip that first only attempt that where you build your pseudocode in your mind, that you know that by this method it is going to be solved. So
हाँ.
only solve that question first. So you will save like the one which only concat function, it will hardly take only 2 or 3 minutes to
Right,
solve.
right. I think that's a
So
good,
think about that.
idea to build a pseudo code. If we can't create pseudo
Yeah.
code, we can't do real coding also.
Hmm.
Yes, exactly. So in your mind, just build your code that by this method, or forget about code, but just you got to know now by this method it is going to be solved. And if it will be taking more time, then go for another question which can be solved easily. First 10 to 5, 15 minutes or 20 minutes take to analyze the question only. Because you will get enough time to think in the question.
Hmm. How much
There
time
are
I took you?
120 minutes for
Hmm.
10 question, right?
Hmm.
You get 12 minutes.
Yeah, man, that's
Yeah.
a
So some questions are
big
like
task.
easily solvable in 3 or 4 minutes.
Hmm.
Yeah, you took, I guess, around 20 minutes for this,
Oh my God.
and that is acceptable.
Oh. That is only, if I, solve the simple one more fast within 1 2 minute.
Yeah,
Then
simple
only I
one you
can.
can do it.
Hmm.
So
I.
you will get time to think at the end of the question. Like
Hmm.
leave 4 or 5 questions, not 4 or 5, 4 or 3 questions for
Hmm.
ending. Others you can solve. So you will get confidence that I have solved this much. So I
Hmm.
can give other questions time,
Hmm.
which you know, but you are
Hmm.
not getting the query. So you can think
They
about it and
Hmm.
solve.
they made it, more difficult by mm, making it, into the column. If it is, row wise, many people
Row
can
wise,
use.
then
Just
I could,
linear.
yeah.
Hmm.
Then just using two CT, it is easy to
Yeah,
find out.
simply we can do the
Just
union.
by calling wise,
Linear.
Uh,
yeah. just by they added the column, no. So I
Right,
was
right.
thinking that what it can be on what primary key I should join it because there is no
Yeah, yeah.
primary key in C++.
See, yeah, see, equal to
So
works
this is
only when there is
inequivalent.
common one. Huh. And if you want
Yeah,
to
I have
put
not
something,
practiced
yeah, yeah.
this
So,
inequivalent. I have not practiced. No, that's why.
hmm,
Even I am not confident about using having condition. I have not
okay.
used that many a times. But I was confident that what I know that I can solve easily.
Hmm,
Whatever I know that we can solve. So be confident about that. Don't go to rush in learning new things now because
hmm,
you will forget the code for that. That how you used to train that.
Hmm.
So good this you know that you have to use inequivalents and you will
hmm.
get an answer. So one more question added to your list
Haha.
that you can confidently attempt.
Oh my God. Now, also find out, how to join on um, this
Hmm.
equal to also.
Yes, yes.
We have to, create a new column. Okay. I just created a new column. 1 equal to 1. And this one also 1. 1 equal to 1.
No one else attempted in this meet, the exam. It's only me who attempted the exam.
See, now here, I've joined using the equal to. Now,
Hmm.
in this, I need to simply mention the column name and I'll get the result.
So that in select condition, remove that one.
So I've done equal to.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So which means if I put 1, it will come 1 to all the rows, all the column. That there will be one row, correct?
So now what you do now, just only select selected columns. Don't select
Yeah,
one.
yeah.
In
Yes,
line
yes.
number 53,
Right, right. I just mentioned this name and it will come using the
yeah,
equal to also. So if we don't have any
yes,
primary key, we have to create a primary key.
yes,
Yeah.
exactly. Even that, this thing I was thinking about it, but
Hmm.
I attempted this question at last, so I was only having 3 minutes.
Hmm. Yeah,
So
sometimes when you're nervous, you
I
can't
just
think like that. Huh?
no, I was just looking at the question. I was just and looking at the timer. So I
Hmm.
couldn't able to think, "Well, what
Okay,
should I do?"
okay.
So I told that I have solved 8 questions, then I will leave this.
Hmm.
And
Robin,
I just applied.
explain the last job, the one you joined right now with
Huh.
using equivalent. Can you explain that?
Okay.
Rohit, can you ping the query also meanwhile? Like,
Sorry.
can you ping it on the chat?
This query.
Yeah, I missed some session.
कम से कम एक
Oh.
तो student-
this
समझ तो नहीं सकते.
this one I think will give you good high marks also for solving tough question.
Yeah.
Yeah,
all
this is
thanks,
definitely for 10 marks, I guess.
Hmm.
all thanks to Mandir.
Oh.
Yes, yes.
Hmm. Somehow, I remembered, there was one question in my mind, how to join tables when there are no common, things. Then I've
Great,
seen,
Robin. That if you can remember now, no, then you can remember anywhere, even though it is job or exam or anywhere, even though in interview. Just
hmm,
don't get panic.
yeah, yeah, panic is a I'll have one beer.
Yeah, like Titas, like Titas.
Yeah. Hmm. That's important. I've told to Linson also. Every time he'll get nervous. Even last time also, he got low marks in this Tableau exam also.
So Lenson will
Robin,
need 2 beer.
Yeah,
Linton exam phobia.
yeah, yeah. And
Yeah.
actually, he was in hurry
Ah.
also to get his Sunday free, so he did not do proper
I
revision.
even I have scheduled this interview for tomorrow and I have not prepared yet.
Hmm. Okay, okay.
And you
Robin,
solved any 2 questions in for Python
Python
for
one,
streak?
not Actually, I don't want to go into Python mindset.
But what about the streak?
Streaks solved one question. I got 100 points.
Okay, which one you solved? Just
Oh,
send me the code because I want to
huh.
maintain this streak.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
that's fine. That was easy, right?
See, this, I'll show you. I mean, see, each questions are like 100 points.
Yeah, that I guess I solved. No, this we
Yeah,
solved.
yeah. You have
Your
already
name
solved it.
was
Yeah.
called. Yeah. Any other questions? Like we can give
Oh,
100
okay. I
more.
think this one you can do, right? Say hi to this one. You have solved yourself, right?
Mm, say hi to that I attempted for I guess 4 or 5 times. No, this
Oh,
one or
yes.
hello one. Which question I forget.
You can check actually.
Wait, this is of introduction to Python, right? Introduction to Python.
Hello, Advala.
I have solved only first and second.
Huh. I think this will
So
also come like input only, right? Not 70 or 25, no?
Yes.
Huh.
yeah, I guess I have one question. I don't know, but it is right or wrong.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, say this is right. No, this one only. Question number three.
Question number three. This one.
No. Question number four. Four.
Okay. Yeah.
This is showing right, but I have not confidence. Same. I have same code.
Huh.
Test
Same.
it. Test it once.
Yeah.
If we submit, it will show right, na?
Test with custom input. This is the correct one.
Uh,
So yeah,
yeah.
I'll put run.
No, no, you have to put in two inputs.
Oh, okay, okay. Two and then one.
Two.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
You can
the
see
one
that
say hi
too.
to her.
Okay. Yeah. So it is running, I guess.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it's correct.
See, because if you are using
Okay.
the input function, we have to use the
Yeah.
custom input only.
Yes. Okay. I got 100 points. Yeah.
Oh,
All
congrats!
possible.
Your streak is
Yes.
going good. Yeah.
Congrats.
Yeah. Now,
Yeah.
now I can sleep peacefully
See, this
because
all the
even I
question.
have not started Python.
Ah, right, right.
I will give interview tomorrow.
Huh.
What I did mistake, I have scheduled the interview at 12 a.m. So I thought it was 12 noon.
Oh my
So
God.
what? So what interviewer did? His name is
Huh.
Mohan.
Huh.
He called me at 7,
Huh.
and he told me that actually I am not available at 12.
Oh my God.
So can you reschedule it? He
Oh.
called me. Can you reschedule it? So
Oh.
he was taking it. No, I have scheduled it at 12 noon. No. So
Huh.
when I should schedule?
Why
No,
you
he was
schedule at
telling
12
me.
a.m.?
No, I by mistake in hurry I scheduled it. I thought it is 12
Oh,
noon.
Hmm.
So
okay.
yeah, 12
So
Got
you
it.
a.m.
can
and p.m. I didn't see that.
There is
reschedule.
a
No,
But
before if it is 12 hours before you can schedule. If your interview is
huh.
12 hours after, then you can schedule it. But when it is only, I was leaving only 4 or 5 hours. So before
Okay.
4 or 5 hours, you can't
uh,
reschedule. So I called again him that I can't reschedule from here. So he
Huh.
told that wait, I will do from here. So he sent a request to reschedule it. So
Okay.
at that
But
time he rescheduled it.
but
Oh.
Yeah.
you can do your 12 a.m. also.
Night, no, at night.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
But he called
It's
him. I was not knowing actually that 12 a.m. At night I have to give
Yeah.
interview.
Yeah.
I
Oh.
was ready. It is be possible, but interviewers itself he himself
Hmm.
called me that I am not here. So
Hmm.
can you reschedule it to tomorrow Sunday anytime? So I thought
So.
that what I did, he was
first in the
left.
call you ask this.
Hmm.
What?
Can I reschedule this?
No, he asked that can you reschedule it because I
it
am
was
not
problem
available
from
at
him,
12.
So I can't
Yeah,
see
from
that
his
right
from
side.
now. Only after submitting the exam I can schedule. This one is there, I think, na?
yeah, you can
Oh.
schedule right now also. After
Yeah,
the
Oh.
you can
module is
schedule right
completed,
now
you
also.
can schedule. You
Yeah.
can schedule it. So if you
Oh,
click on 26 no,
huh?
26 March, no, there is no option for no, I guess.
So there is some magenta also, right?
Hmm.
Yeah.
And write an skill to print second maximum salary. Hmm. I think that will be second maximum will be max salary, and then
nth rank.
nth is there, but we need to get it
Yeah.
according to the maximum second, right? Maximum.
No,
I
Of
think
No,
second.
order
nth
by
value,
salary descending
Order
order.
by.
nth value can also give no,
Yeah, yeah,
nth value
correct. Nth
comma 2.
value and salary
Yeah.
descending by.
comma two.
Yeah. And
Or
what
Correct,
is
after
this
correct.
order
expression?
by, we can do offset one, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
For
yeah.
second.
For
Or
max salary, no?
option one limit.
We are limit one. Yeah,
Act,
that.
act,
No,
Limit,
but
limit.
that will be order by salary descending order. We need to do right. Okay.
Actually, I got a
And this is,
question like this in interview today. She asked me that find the third maximum salary. You cannot use any window function as well as simple approach of offset. So use subquery.
Oh,
Yeah,
Oh,
we can easily get
I
into
was
subquery actually.
using
how
subquery.
Yes,
how
we
See,
can.
so she was the question was third maximum salary.
yeah, maybe
which interview you
any
give?
max
Give
salary.
mock interview? In
Yeah,
mock
yeah.
interview?
So
Yeah,
I think
yeah.
that will be, she told you to not use window function, right?
Yeah, no window function, first value, nth value, days rank,
Oh,
row
got it.
rank, row
Okay,
number,
okay. And
and you
not
can
So,
even
use also
offset or limit
offset and
also. Okay, okay.
yeah, yeah.
how you solved? How
Just
you
use
solved
subquery.
then?
I
CT
think
method also.
Uh,
Huh?
CT, no, she just asked
You
me
can
subquery.
this
How?
subquery you
What
can
is the
use
approach?
the
What was the approach like? I
So
actually
you
solved
have to
it by
tell
Danes
verbally.
rank. Then after, no,
Yeah.
no, no. There is a some notepad thing, and
Okay,
we can
got
just
it.
write code.
Yeah,
uh,
first of
Yeah,
There
all,
is
yeah.
no
we need to.
compiler there to check whether the code is running. Just
The
we can see that
compiler,
window.
sitting in front of you. He will compile it.
No, there is no
You don't.
this.
This is the
Got it, got
interviewer
it, got
only.
it.
Yeah.
okay.
So
Then
I got
how?
the idea that how interview will be. Thanks,
Uh,
Yeah.
Aditya.
no, no, but
Yes,
how
yes,
to solve
Mandaji.
this? How to use this without window and limit?
I think we can use the max of salary and
But nah,
descending
Max is
order.
also a window function, right?
No, no, no.
No, it's a
Window
group
function
function.
is
Yeah,
over
yeah.
function.
Okay.
Over is
Yeah,
the
got
window
it, got it.
Yes.
function.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
we
Actually,
got it.
can use
she
that.
specifically mentioned subquery. She
See,
specifically
and in the max also, you
asked
will
me
get
to.
only the first one.
No,
Yeah, yeah,
no. We
Max.
can use the maximum of salary in the subquery, and
Huh.
we can lesser than symbol, and outer query we can mention that salary. Okay, so it is the second maximum salary. If you want third maximum salary, again we can write the one outer query
No,
with
no.
that.
See, if you put lesser than the max, then if there are 10 salary, all 9 will come, right?
Yeah, you need to mention one of maximum salary in this outer query. So that is the second maximum salary.
So two max
Means
now.
I
No,
didn't
yeah.
get it.
Inside the subquery,
Yeah,
one max in the outer query.
yeah, right. That is the
Actually,
second maximum salary.
this will work for second maximum, but for third maximum, how we can do that?
Again, we have to write the subquery for the third
Oh,
maximum salary.
No, no, but
But
how come you will get only second? You will get from second to 10th, you will get, right?
No, no, no. If you
no, we
mention the
can.
max,
can you
you
show
need,
on BigQuery, Robin? Robin, can you try
yeah, you can try with BigQuery.
on
Oh,
BigQuery? We have the employee data, I guess.
uh,
Because even I have
I mean,
to
Satya is
do it
asking, means
more.
Satya is saying like max salary, and out of that max salary, we can,
Yeah,
which is
no,
less
no.
but max, right?
yeah, correct. If you want 10th max
Yeah,
salary also, we can write the
yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
subqueries.
oh, okay, okay, got it. So that's like, removing the first max, then removing the
yeah,
second
yeah, yeah,
max.
yeah, yeah,
Yes.
Acha, in outer query also you have to write Max.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, 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 yeah.
Got it.
Mm,
That is just like
Go for
so
the
much time consuming.
HR data.
Yeah, yeah, I understood anyway. to?
No, I didn't understand. Just show
Oh
me
my.
how it
Yeah,
works.
yeah. Okay, salary. Now, let's just um,
Copy it, no? Just copy it.
yeah. And then
Okay.
now we will get max. Okay, so we are going to get max.
I'll remove that limit.
Yeah. Cool. So we got this max,
This is
right?
the maximum
Hmm.
salary
Yeah,
of
this
the
was
Now,
the
table actually.
Okay,
okay.
10
yeah.
Now
subquery.
we'll copy this again and
Paste.
we'll just paste and enter where in the
Salary
salary,
lesser than
yeah, lesser than this one.
bracket.
Again, we need to add max salary maybe.
Yeah,
Where max salary?
yes. So that will
So
be 17,000.
again
Oh, got
maximum
it, got
salary.
it. I got it now.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
If you want third maximum salary
Right,
also,
Yeah,
you need to
right,
write
right.
one more subquery actually.
okay.
Okay.
In the inner query, no? Or yeah, we
Yeah.
can write anywhere, I guess.
This all
In
this all
outer.
the query as a considered as a inner query.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Write
Got
it
it.
for third one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Where salary?
So we have three approaches then: window function, limit, and this subquery.
Yes. And also we have Satya.
Yeah,
Uh,
it's first approach.
Satya great, huh?
Yeah. That was really innovative.
We
I
have
think
such
this is the
innovative people.
Yeah, great.
Yeah,
14,000.
getting, yeah.
Hmm. Do you know, I think they are simply asking to, check our presence of mind
Yes,
and
yes, yes.
how
Our
we can.
thinking ability.
Right.
Actually, in real interviews, they will not ask that how you are going, means you are getting answer or not. They are just checking your approaches. That they will tell you that they will ask for this approach. Go with this approach, or maybe if you
Mm-hmm.
want to know, solve it by city, then how you are going to solve it by city. It's like that.
Who
So
They
was
are
the
just giving
interviewer?
options.
Aditya?
Interviewer was some strange name called George. Yeah,
Oh, in
so
scalar only.
yeah.
Okay.
so
Okay.
how we can achieve this the same scenario in this window function nth value?
I lost you.
That will be,
Again,
okay.
nth
Mm,
value comma 2, right?
using the window function.
Yeah, int
So,
value, comma 2,
and
order
value.
by salary, comma 2.
Put it in
Over order
subquery.
by.
Over
Over order by.
Salary descending.
Yeah.
One
descending
second.
is important actually.
Order by.
Yeah. So that was 17,000.
Yes. One bracket, I guess, is missing.
Yeah, two bracket are extra there.
Yeah, two bread.
Bread. And yeah. So this is second
Oh,
one.
you get, but you get, okay.
But we can make it distant also, right? If
Distinct salary.
yeah.
Yeah.
We got null.
First null. Okay, because if write there three, after
Three.
salary, we write
Uh,
three. I guess we will get two null value.
Like we can use dense rank also, right?
Yes.
dense right. But why
No,
null is
why
coming?
the first column is null? I guess it is checking for.
Can you replace with one actually?
Okay.
Oh,
So what is happening now?
Maybe
Null.
maybe the second value. Can you please put the 3? It will do null.
3.
If you put the
Okay.
3.
No. 3 null won't come.
3 null, only 1 null is coming.
Yeah.
2 null and a third. 1 null.
No, 1 null is coming.
I don't know
See,
why.
this is okay. 17,000 is second. Okay. Then what is the second one? Third. Okay, 17. It's coming same for.
3
Okay,
and
this is
2, na?
not rank. This what is this then? Oh, I think this is not giving the rank. This is not the
So
third.
do one thing, Robin. Before order by, add partition by salary.
Yes, yes.
Partition by salary will.
Yeah, it
Okay.
Partition
will
by
group the
department.
salary, no? Yeah, it will group the salary.
Partition by salary.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
And okay.
What is showing null?
Why null is coming and this everything changed.
Yeah, everything changed.
With the
It
partition, I
is
think it's showing all
It is creating each window
salary.
actually.
Right.
yeah, like a group by
Bracket
actually.
Yeah.
maximum value.
Arey, ha. Yeah.
I think
Right,
we
right, right,
can
right.
we can easily get this result in dense rank. The
Yeah.
where
Yeah.
Yeah,
class we
dense
can
rank.
mention like a 2
It,
actually.
uh, yeah. In dense rank, it will come, but um, I'm just trying to understand this little bit. Null is coming. Plus um, the order by is okay. Let's try dense.
How we can write where condition here? Yeah, where will work, right?
Why not?
Yes.
What we will write in where condition?
Then we have to put
I'll
that alias name.
Equal to 2, right?
Uh,
Yeah, equal to 3.
A subquery.
we can remove the distinctive mark.
yeah. Correct.
Yeah, remove the distinct. Distinct we don't need, I guess.
Analytical, though we need to
Uh,
use in subquery.
yeah.
Yeah, that was I was
It will.
thinking where we can't use.
No.
And
We need to put it in subquery.
Because this is an analytical
Otherwise,
function and
yeah.
it's
yes,
not accepted in this.
I think
So
dense
the
rank salary.
interviewer was right.
Okay.
And what other questions interviewer also asked Aditya? Any other different
Uh,
question?
Like there was a simple questions like mm, whatever we have solved it in assignment. Simple questions. The difficult one was last one. Actually, she asked me that you are beginner student, so you are comfortable with asking these questions or not. So I said, yeah, you can ask me. And actually, she has given me that movie table, and it was actually nearly about 10 to 12 tables.
Okay.
So there was like our HR data set, right?
Ranks
Uh,
probably.
So I actually didn't
Alias.
remember that question, but it was like give me the actor's name who was not there for nearly more than 3 years. So in that, it's a bit difficult question. I cannot explain this here.
so I think dense rank inside the dense rank nothing will come right.
No, then saying nothing, only
Yeah, inside.
brackets. Yeah, only brackets.
Right. That will be. Huh? Wait. Wait. I'll add one more column. Okay. Salary.
Seven.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay. Second maximum was 17, right? Third is
Now
working.
in outer query, just write salary.
Yeah.
Salary from.
Yeah. Then we'll
Huh.
see salary only.
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. Great.
But even this simple sum is difficult now.
Yeah. I mean, not difficult. We need to